We'll guide you through how to share files on Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Right-click on it to open the context menu, then select Share from the list of options. A sharing settings window will pop up. Here you can add email addresses of the people you want to share the file with in the Add People and Groups field. You can set their permissions by clicking on the drop-down next to their email. Choose between viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what level of access you want to give. If you're sharing with someone outside your organization, make sure your share settings allow for it. You can also use the Get Link option if you prefer sharing a link instead. Click on Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. Make sure the link sharing is set to the correct permissions. You can choose anyone with the link if you want broad access, or restrict it to people within your organization only. After setting everything up, click Send if you're sharing via email, or simply share the copied link through your preferred platform. Keep in mind, if you want to stop sharing the file later, you can go back to the Share settings, click on Advanced, and remove people or change the link settings. Sharing files on Google Drive is a great way to collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.